Okay, so we're just here pulling out these fiberglass batts. The guys are here. G'day, Carl.
Yeah.
And so we just roll up the batts and put them in a bag. You want to show a customer how you roll one of these up, Carl? Yep. You can see the safety equipment that Carl's wearing. All this fiberglass shit is sorry, I shouldn't swear. But it's all terrible stuff to breathe in and itchy as. So Carl's just rolling them up, and then that saves us using so many bags. And then we put them into bags and take them out of the roof, and then I'll go to the dump. So thanks, Carl. All right, and we've got the rest of the job to do, as you can see. And here's Teddy over here working on the other side. So Teddy's bag's full already, so he's obviously a faster worker than Carl. Just joking. Alright.